Why I don't sleep in ever. My name is Erica Leary, and I help small business owners and entrepreneurs find hidden profits inside their business using my simple 5-step power profit formula so they don't have to spend more on advertising. So I want to tell you today why I never, ever, ever sleep in. Okay, never is probably a big word, but 99.9% of the time I do not sleep in. And let me tell you my 3 main reasons. Number 1, energy. You can all admit I've got a lot of energy, right? Anybody who knows me, who's been following me, I have a ton of energy. And I think that that is because I get up rearing to go every single day. I love what I'm doing. I don't want to sleep in. I feel like I'm missing out. So it gives me energy when I get up early and I get going. Number 2, momentum. I do believe that if you command yourself to do something, if you tell yourself to get up early and you actually do it, you've already started your day off with a win, right? You're already winning. Now, how much more are you winning? Oh my God, a ton more, right? I'm gonna get back to that when I close off this video, but I think that if you start your day waking up at the crack of dawn, you're already starting off with momentum. Remember, those little quick wins can add up over time, right? Incremental. And the third reason is my AM routine. I live and die by my AM routine. It is what gets me going. It's what helps me have my energy. And that includes waking up early. That includes exercising. That includes sitting down and attempting to make myself meditate, which I am not great at. But it includes reading in the morning. I do a lot of stuff in my morning routine that pumps me up and gets me going for my day so that I can come to you and show up with every single thing I have inside me. It gets me excited. It gets me going. So that is the third reason. And this is like a little bit of a bonus. I read a quote a long time ago, and it was basically, I get up early every single day so I can work on my dreams while everyone else is dreaming about their dreams. So it's about taking action, guys. Wake up early, get it done. It is magical how much you can get done before the rest of the world wakes up. So get on it.